Horses out at Chikatsu. Pass to begin. Danori inside. Be My Queen. Safety's Gold. Efira. Towanitsa. Then followed by Virtual Angel. Lucky Lorky. Skyline Pigeon. And Conquistarol is the early trailer. Chikatsu by Aralenka. Be My Queen in second. Alenk back in third. Safety's Gold. Efira now moving up to take fourth. Then followed by Towanitsa. Virtual Angel. Lucky Lorky, and on the outside, Skyline Pigeon and Conquistarol. And it's still Chikatsu by about 2 lengths. And in second, still is Be My Queen. Safety's Gold is racing in third, and followed by Efira. Moving up, Skyline Pigeon, down on the inside, Towanitsa. Conquistarol, Lucky Lorky, and Virtual Angel. Be My Queen takes the lead by Alain Canehapa. And in second, Chikatsu, Safety's Gold, Efira. Then here comes Skyline Pigeon. Towanitsa then moving up on the outside as they come down at the last 150. Be My Queen by about 3 lengths. Efira now moving up to take second. Skyline Pigeon moving up. Conquistarol. Last 75 meters. Be My Queen moving up now is Conquistarol. And finally, Be My Queen, Conquistarol. Then comes Skyline Pigeon, Efira. Number 6, Safety's Gold, and Lucky Lorky.
32596.
Right.